everyone, I'm Dave. If you're looking for a great tailgate recipe or even a game day recipe at your house but want something a little different from the normal burger, this is one of my favorites. The Bison sliders. You're gonna wanna try these. Let's get it started. Okay, now we're gonna prep the bison. One thing, if you get bison that's a 90-10 ratio, you might wanna put a little cheese in there. I love blue cheese. To mix it in, it kind of helps keep that juicy burger and not dry out because it's such a lean meat. Today we're just gonna add some minced garlic, 1 egg, and some Worcestershire sauce. Always tough to say. Add a little kosher salt and some pepper, and we're gonna mix this all up. These already smell incredible. Okay, now that we've got the beef all mixed up, we're gonna make real small balls that we then will put in the fridge so it gets cool, and then we'll smash them down into our sliders on the grill. The reason we wanna put them in the fridge for a little while is so they don't just fall apart once you place them on the grill. These smell outstanding, and I cannot wait to eat them. I love bison. Okay, now our patties sat in the fridge for a little while. You can smell the Worcestershire sauce and the garlic. They already smell incredible. So excited to eat these. I'm gonna put some oil down on the grill first, just so they don't stick on us. We're gonna place these out, give them a nice smash. Again, making our nice small patties for our sliders. These will take, at this size, these will take about 4 minutes each side. If you're doing larger burgers of the bison, it'll take about 6, maybe 7 minutes a side. Oh, the smell of this grill already is incredible. Now we're gonna let these sit for about 4 minutes, give them a flip. The smell coming off this grill right now from these burgers is amazing. I love bison. We're gonna give it a quick flip here, and they're gonna be basically about another, I'd say 4 minutes. At 2 minutes in or so, we're gonna put the cheese on. I'm using some smoked Gouda and some cheddar. Use whatever cheese you like. Now the star of this is the bison, and that's what you want to taste, but you put a nice cheese on it. I've got the smoked Gouda here. This will melt over really nice before these are done, and the sharp cheddar would be my two choices, but again, use your favorite cheese on these. For toppings too, you can load all kinds of things on top of it. I like to keep it real simple. I won't even put ketchup and mustard on mine. I just use this, a nice classic dill pickle, and a little thinly cut red onion, and they're perfect. You want to let the bison be the star of the show. These look amazing. Can't wait to eat them. We're gonna put them on the buns here. Put the smoked Gouda ones over here. I love cooking these up on the plancha. Again, you could do it on your grill. You could do it in a cast iron pan. However you choose. These smell incredible. And again, add whatever you like to it. You want to put lettuce on it, you want to load them up, you want to put some bacon on it. That's fine, that's your choice. I'm sticking to really simple, again, making the bison the star of this show. We're going to throw just a little green onion on these for some nice little flavor. And then, of course, the classic dill pickle. Got some nice big ones in here. These just add that nice crunch and other little flavor to where you don't need anything else on these. These will be incredible just the way they are. I cannot wait. I'm not taking another second before I dive in on these. You can taste that Worcestershire and garlic hint in there. The smoked Gouda, I love it. A little dill pickle, so good. If you want to add ketchup or mustard, feel free, but take a bite first. It does not need it. Now with the cheddar cheese, every time I do bison sliders, I ask myself, why don't I cook them more often? So good, such a fun treat. Perfect for your little game day appetizers thrown out, or for a tailgate. You gotta give these a try. Thanks so much for joining me on this cook. Such a fun cook. Love these bison sliders. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you want to see cooked next. I'd be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, spread love through barbecue.